Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a marshmallow peep for Easter. Let's doodle! Okay, we're gonna start right about here on the page, and we're gonna start by drawing the peep's head shape first. And it's kind of a hooked line like this, and we go up and over. And it's a curved line back down. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. And we stop like that. Just try to straighten it out a little there. That. And now we're gonna do, from kind of back where we started, we're gonna do a curved line, kind of reversed S-shaped line down for the front of the body of the peep. Like that. And now let's do the other side of the body. So this is the back of the top of the body, the back, and we're just gonna do a slight curved line like that. And let's do the tail, and it's kind of like a hooking line. So it kind of comes up and it hooks back down along like that. And let's do the back of it, the body now. And that's just a slightly curved line like this. Okay, now let's do the marshmallow bottom of the peep, and it's kind of squished. We're going to make it look like it's squished and sitting on the ground. So it's a big curved line around like this. So starting here, we're going to do a big curved line all the way across. And then back up like this, and we're gonna let that line, the body line, overlap inside of it so it gives a sense of depth. And now let's do sort of a line across here to give it sort of a squish effect. So just a curved line like that. Okay, now back up here, let's draw the eye on the peep, and it's just a circle like that, and then a smaller circle inside, and then we're going to color it in. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm going to make my peep yellow, but you can make your peep any color you want. They come in all different flavors and colors. And remember, every artist signs their doodle. Happy Easter! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.